Intense 5 time, Ash. Let's see what made the list. Adele say hot girl time now. Instead of crying over her failed marriage, she put that frustration in her workout and came out looking quite slim at Drake's birthday party. Good for you, Adele. New music time now. Yeah.
It's hard to even talk about, but the tragic accident at Clancarthy Primary. Condolences to Benjamin's family and friends.
You remember Lee Boyd Malvo, the Washington sniper? Well, he got his sentence overturned and is awaiting a new one. Plus, he's now studying to become a pastor. Interesting.
Very interesting. Tanya Stephens holds nothing back as she defends Crystal Tomlinson. Crystal announced that she'll be running for a seat in the next general elections, and all people can focus on is the fact that she has a baby for Beanie Man. Oh boy, focus on the issues now.
And finally holding the spot this week, the First Lady's description of her man. The Most Honorable Andrew Holness, aka Honorable Bro God, Mrs. Holness says, and I quote, "His body is tight and firm and is sexy can done."
All right.
We have a young Prime Minister. We have a Prime Minister whose body tight and firm. A Prime Minister who's sexy can done.
Well, why not? Gotta love J.A.
Have to love Jamaica.
That's it for the Intense 5 this week. Remember to follow us on IG at TVJ Intense.